We are having homemade Peruvian chicken on top of some cauliflower rice. And we have, I believe it's called anja sauce. I think that's how you pronounce it. If not, please correct me in the comments. We have an avocado salad, some chili peppers, yummy delicious. Doesn't it look amazing? And we're drinking fruit punch lemonade flavored water. Oh, who want a yummy bite? What's up, Yummybites? Welcome back to another episode of Cooking Keto with Yummybites. Y'all, today for the first time, we're gonna be making Peruvian chicken. I saw this on the internet and I was like, I have to make it. It looks so delicious, y'all, with this sauce that they make. Oh my gosh, it really reminds me of my cilantro lime sauce, but it's different. Okay, it has more ingredients. Anyway, who's ready to get started? Let's do this. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and make this sauce. So we're gonna do the juice of 2 limes. So I'm using juice from this bottle, so I'm just eyeballing what I think it is. Then we're gonna go in with about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I am eyeballing 1, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Then we're gonna go in with a teaspoon of salt. We're gonna go in with some garlic, some minced garlic. Now you can use fresh garlic, but I'm using some jarred garlic. About 5 cloves if you're chopping it fresh. So I'm just gonna go in with however much I want it. And then we're gonna go in with a tablespoon of sugar. I'm using, this is Truvia. You can use monk fruit sugar. Teaspoon of cumin. I like lots of cumin. Then we're gonna go in with 1 tablespoon of chili powder. I think that's about a tablespoon. 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, my favorite seasoning in the world. And then 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. I do not have that, so I'm just gonna use some Italian seasoning because there is dried oregano in here. Then we're gonna go in and just mix this up. And I think I want to add some honey to this. This is hot honey that I'm using, and it's keto. About a tablespoon. That was probably more, but mix that in there real good. You're gonna let this marinate for as long as you can. Overnight is the best, but I only have a couple hours, so. Y'all, this sauce smells so good. Oh my gosh. All right, so you're gonna go in with mine is skinless, boneless chicken thighs, okay? Make sure you wash them. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. And we're just going to make sure that they are completely covered in this marinade. Y'all, this is gonna be so good. I can just feel it. Oh my gosh. And you can season this with other seasonings if you would like. But I'm just gonna let this marinate just like this. All right, y'all, so I did forget to add my pepper paste. So there's a certain pepper paste you're supposed to add to this. I guess it's a Peruvian one. I'm not sure, y'all. But this is the only pepper paste I have. Is this gochujang one. And I feel like you can use whatever pepper paste you want because it's your food. And so I'm gonna add like 2 tablespoons of that. I wish I could have added it in the marinade, and you know, but anyway, we're here. So we're just going to combine this with the marinade and the chicken, and hopefully it gets combined like it needs to. Yeah, my light just went out. Please excuse. And just combine it. Looks like it's combining pretty well. Oh my gosh, it smells even better. Now, I think I want to add some cayenne pepper to this because I want my stuff to be nice and spicy. So we're gonna go in with some cayenne. Yeah, this is gonna be filled with flavor. Give your chicken at least 2 to 3 hours to marinate. Like I said, overnight is gonna be better. Let's do it. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and make this. I think it's called an Aji sauce, y'all. It's called something, but it's like a cilantro sauce, but not like my cilantro lime sauce. So we're gonna go in with 1 bunch of cilantro. We're gonna do 2 jalapenos and 1 cayenne. Now you could take the seeds out if you want to, but I like spicy. And then we're gonna go in with, if you wanna use fresh garlic, use 3 garlic cloves, but I'm using garlic with some of the juice. About that much. And then you're supposed to use the juice of 2 limes, but I have my lime juice in this bottle, so we're just gonna eyeball about 1/2 cup of mayo. That's about 1/2 cup. And then you're gonna want like 1/4 of a cup of either Kojia or Parmesan cheese, but I'm gonna use feta because it's kind of like Kojita cheese. I'm gonna use just like 1/4 of a cup. Then we're gonna go in with a tablespoon of olive oil. You can use extra virgin if you want. That's about a tablespoon. And instead of salt, I'm gonna add a little bit of chicken bouillon. Bet you this is gonna set it off. Then we're gonna go in with some green onions. And we're gonna blend this together. All right, now after you blend it, it should look like this. It smells so good, oh my gosh. It is perfection. Make sure you taste it. Oh my, wow. Oh yeah, you can tell that I seasoned it with the chicken bouillon. Definitely use that. Definitely, oh my gosh, it's amazing. All right, so while our oil is getting ready, we are going to chop a cucumber. For our salad, we're gonna have a cucumber, avocado, and tomato salad. Gotta have something fresh with this chicken. So we're gonna do half of a cucumber. Throw that in. Now I have my avocado oil getting ready so we can sear our chicken. Then we're gonna go in with an avocado. Y'all just got this avocado today and they picked the ripest one they could freaking find. I mean, the ripest. Oh my God, I didn't cut it all the way through. What am I gonna do? I don't even know where the slice is. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's perfect, yes. We're just gonna dice it. Scoop it out like so. Put it in there. Uh-oh, we got a little dark part in there. We got a dark part. Boom. We need that avocado though. Great. Threw some cherry tomatoes in there, and I'm just gonna go through and slice them in half like so. All right, so we're gonna add some avocado oil to this and some lime juice. You can use fresh. This little salad is delicious. Murder so loves this. Salt. And pepper. Yum. And you could also add some cilantro to this, honestly. That would be amazing. So add some cilantro, y'all. I'm probably gonna add some off camera. I need to hurry up and get my chicken in that pot. Oh, this looks amazing. Smells delicious. Look at that. Absolutely. All right, y'all, so get you a cast iron pot. And I sprayed some avocado oil in there. I'm just gonna pour a little bit of this. Okay. And then we're gonna go in with our chicken. Wait until this gets really hot. You can either do it like this or you can grill it, okay? You can air fry it also if you like, or you can even put it in the oven. But I'm deciding to do it like this. All right, I think it's hot enough. We're gonna go down with our chicken. You're gonna cook this until it is nice and caramelized and browned on each side. All right, we're gonna go ahead and flip this chicken over. That's what you want, a nice caramelized piece of chicken. These are not ready. Flip yet. Please excuse the microwave. We're gonna go ahead and put these over. Alright, so I just flipped them and they should look like this. Nice and caramel. About to take them out in about 1 minute and we're gonna let them rest. Let them rest. Alright, y'all, let's go ahead and make our plate. So we're gonna go in with this cauliflower rice. Yes, I like to use the rice that's in the bag because it's just easier. That is why. I'm not gonna use the whole thing. Then we're gonna go ahead and go in with our chicken. This chicken looks incredible. Make sure you let it sit after you take it out of the cast iron. Uh-oh. That doesn't go in there. And we're gonna put the juices over the chicken. Oh yeah. Then we're gonna go ahead and take our sauce, pour it right in here. This is what we're gonna dip our chicken in. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be delicious. I probably don't need that much. Doesn't this look delicious? Who wants a yummy bite? I want a yummy bite. All right, who is ready for this food? Y'all, it looks so good. I cannot wait to try it. I have not even tried it yet, y'all. We're drinking fruit punch, lemonade flavored water. Who is ready? I am. If y'all enjoyed this recipe, make sure y'all give it a big old thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share my videos everywhere. Comment how delicious this looks and let me know, have you ever tried Peruvian chicken? Okay, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.